What's this?
Is it O? Is it O? Is it
What's this?
O? P?
P. What's this?
A?
What's
O.
this?
T?
T. What's this?
O?
R. What's this?
T?
What's this?
O?
O.
T?
T.
I.
S. Mommy wrote that wrong.
Is it
A little.
B?
B.
B? O? S? T? O? N.
Good job! Yay! What about this?
P? O?
R. Yeah.
U? I? S.
And S. Good job! She spelled everything out except the S that I wrote. Kind of weird. I can't believe it.
I said S.
24 months. No, Basha, you can't read this like that. You have to read like this. Okay, if you insist. That's a mirror image, but have fun. Grandma will love this video.